Je, ina maana kwamba hawajawahi kuomba ama hawajui kwamba kuna huu utaratibu wa kuomba?
Asante sana kwa hilo swali. Kwanza sisi kama mamlaka ya kudhibiti kawi tuko na mwongozo ya kufanya vitu kadhaa. First ni kufanya economic regulation. Ya pili ni kufanya technical regulation. Najua Wakenya wengi wanatujua tu kwa tarehe 14 kwa mambo ya mafuta, lakini mandate yetu iko much wider than kudhibiti mambo ya bei ya mafuta. Okay. Kwa swali leo umeuliza, kuna a very good story that Kenya has had between the year 2024 and 2012. I think about 2012, Kenya Power only had about 2.2-2.3 million customers. Today, they are on the brink of 10 million customers. And that's a good story that we must celebrate as a country. It is a story that is being modeled and spoken about across the globe, particularly around sub-Saharan Africa, in terms of the initiative of the government of Kenya to increase access from about 22-23% to now over 70%. Ile swali umeuliza, what happens to the rest of Kenyans? What you need to understand is, first, you can either be connected on-grid or off-grid. Kuna wale wenzetu wenye wako ile jimbo la Northeastern, penye walikuwa naita Northern Frontier, penye umeme haijafika kwa sababu transmission line haijafika. Lakini through us as EPRA and the government investing the money, we have what we call mini grids and off grids. So you have off-grid stations that are able to connect those who are not connected to the grid as an interim solution. Today, technology is improving. You have technologies like solar and wind that have come to serve those who are not connected to the grid. So for those 30%, there are two options which are available in a regulation that we've been able to put up. One is to wait for the grid to get to those areas, but as the time that the grid gets there is to see how they can be connected through the off-grid stations and also the mini-grids in those particular areas, what we call distributed energy. So there is an opportunity to ensure that those Kenyans that are that 25th percentile that is left to be connected are actually connected through an initiative of the government where it is a social program, but where it is commercially viable for the utilities such as Kenya Power, they'll connect on commercial basis.
Ule mpango wa last mile?
I think your swali ni more of a policy question, lakini kitu najua ni serikali imeweka mikakati that the last mile program is on. It is back in a big way, and I'm sure that last 25th percentile will be able to be connected.
All right. Senator Matinga,